Hi, I'm Terenzo Bozzone, professional triathlete and 5-time triathlon world champion. We're here at Global Health Clinics in Auckland. I've been working closely with the team here at Global Health Clinics for a few years, and I really am a big believer on the holistic approach. For me, when I'm performing, it comes down to a couple things. One is how hard I can train and how well I can recover from that training. I find a cell well-being analysis is really important for me because we can just take a small hair sample, analyze it, and it comes up with basically my general health and where things are at. So what are my main work-on areas that I need to improve my health? And if I can improve my health, it means for me, I can perform at a higher level in triathlon. For me, one of the main things that come up on a cell well-being analysis, and it seems to have been a recurring thing over the years, is my adrenals. With the amount of training I do and the amount of load I put on my body, it makes sense that something's going to be impacted, and my adrenals tend to be my go-to weak spot. Dr. Wilson's Adrenal Quartet has been a go-to for me for a few years now, and when I do find my adrenals are lacking a bit, we incorporate the Dr. Wilson's formula. And for me, generally, if I back off my training, get on Dr. Wilson's Adrenal Quartet, between 2 and 4 weeks, I'm back to feeling normal again and ready to race an international schedule. Here at Global Health Clinics, there's a couple modalities that I regularly use to help improve my recovery and general wellness. One of them is the HOCAT and the other is the hyperbaric chamber. With the HOCAT, it's basically a sauna type thing that you sit inside. The temperature cranks up to about between 35 and 40 degrees depending on what your comfort level is. Then they introduce ozone, which is a gas which is really good for you. The other modality I like to use is the hyperbaric chamber. This is basically you lie in, it's a chamber that inflates and oxygen gets pumped into it. The pressure goes up, so it's the opposite of altitude training. So people go to altitude training to train high, they increase their red blood cells by having to work harder. Whereas the hyperbaric chamber, we're basically taking you down, so pumping more oxygen into you. And that's causing the muscles, the bones, everything to recover quicker. Having that balance to be able to spend time with the kids and also to be able to spend the time I need training and recovering is really important for me. I know being around my family make me very happy, and I know having the team here at Global Health Clinics makes me healthy, and I know having everything I have in my life, it makes me balanced, and I find being happy, healthy and balanced really contributes to me performing at the top level.